Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Thanks for things, where you find that linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. Let's rock. Okay, this is getting silly. I think the problem is the spark arrestor. Because it'll take, but then when the wind blows, it shoves everything right back in here. And it's, yeah, not good. Because then I have to open the garage door and there goes all the damn heat that I just acquired. But then when it goes out, it smolders and the smoke won't go. Unless I got a full-on fire going, and then still, the wind blows it back in. So, I think I have to modify my spark arrestor. Give it a shroud or something. Yep, problem's on the other end. I have a problem. I think I have a solution. Well, this is industry standard. Talked to fire department, and the guy that I talked to said his grill gives him the same problem. There's supposed to be wind dampers, but when the wind blows, it still blows back in. My design, come down about here, held with screws to the inner can. Just put them together and then size it up. Put a couple relief holes in the top and then sheath it down here so it stops the wind. Because even with these shrouds, yeah, you get blowback. Concept. I got solution. It snowed. It's still snowing. Yay. So I gotta get this done. Damn it. Really starting to hate these side projects, you know? Here's the problem. To the spark arrestor, wind blows back in, or the wind blows in any damn direction. Let me get a blue. That's water. If you put curly cues in it, it's wind. That's the rule. Yeah, I just get blowback. We don't want that. So there's my problem. As seen by those other wind dampers, I got a better idea. So here's my solution. Stop the wind. Oversized can. Pop some holes in it. Well, suspend it with screws. Tie it all the way down and then back them off. 3 of them. So it'll hold it at a certain height. So when the wind does come up to it, the wind won't interfere with it. Little perforation holes in it so it can still, so it'll still release the smoke without it building up in there and then becoming like a, or flashover. Anyways, that's the idea. Put a full cap wind block on it, suspended, and vented. Yay. When I was at Depot, I looked at their quart jars, or their quart cans. They're all 4 inches across, so that looked good to me. Like that. It'll work. I don't need to mark anything, because that's my center. At any rate, I just need to know how deep to block the wind, it's still bent. I don't like getting interrupted. So I was busy on one thing, now I'm doing that thing. I don't like doing that. Feels like I'm back not getting anything done. I'm getting stuff done. It's just I gotta stop and do other stuff. Great, throw the damn wrapper away so I lose my reference. Yeah. like I said, I get interrupted. Okay, 3 inches deep from a 5-inch can. 3 screws, and it's going to be suspended on those screws. About a 1/2 inch, I'm guessing. So that'll, okay. I was thinking take a 1/2 inch off of it, but if it's going to hang up a bit. Okay. And I'm 3 deep, I'm 3 deep. So, mark where my 3-inch is now going to be. And that'll help me depth set it with the screws. Stay in the track. It's not a spiral. Okay, and that's my hang point, my depth gauge, if you will. Then I'm gonna contact some people, give them this video, tell them my idea, and charge them fucking 5% for the idea. And they can start making these instead of fucking around with those little goofy hats that blow back into it. Oh, yeah, the fun part. Oh, exciting shit, isn't it? Let's get the whole piloted. Yay. Oop. After beating on it, I gotta stand it back up a little bit. Give me a pilot. All right. Gotcha. We good? 3-inch. Okay. I took a screwdriver and I pushed those back up, but I'm 3 inches, relatively solid. With venting, I can adjust if needed. Yeah, the smoke will get out. I don't need something to carry it away. The smoke will get out. I just need something to stop the wind from shooting it back down the pipe. Put it together in the drive. Imagination seeks an outcome. Otherwise, it'll drive you batty. Imagine Einstein never taking a math class. Ooh, they'd lock his ass right up. Light up. It's gonna work. The only smoke coming out of here is because the fire was too big. It didn't have time to burn. But that's working. It's not blowing back down the tube. It just choked. It couldn't get out. Still a little too high. That stick of sycamore isn't helping either. It's working. Wind is blowing like crazy, and it is not jetting back down the pipe. Here! Well, that's my own problem, because the fire's too big. Yes, please. Alright, take a look at it outside. Cool. And it kind of keeps the smoke off the house too. I see that little resin patch on the molding. Doing what it's supposed to with the wind anyway. It isn't blowing back because it's cold in there. See all this white shit? That means it's cold. Oh. Yay, working. Imagination always seeks an outcome.
Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I do other stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.